Hey guys, right now I'm at the Air Force Academy with Spike. We're watching the Thunderbirds. So right now it's raining. They did have to cancel last minute. This is from the beginning. I am voicing over this. So they canceled last minute, so we were just watching for a little while. This is basically just the Air Force Academy video with waiting and my intro. So I did put clips from last year of the Thunderbirds flying. It is pretty cool. This is from last year, not this year, and we were in a different place, but it was still pretty cool. And since I didn't want to just put the video like this, I did have to add all the Thunderbird stuff. It was kind of cloudy that day too, looking like it was gonna rain, but it didn't. So they still, in the videos from last year, actually looked like it was gonna rain, but it didn't. These were all taken at different times, these videos, but they were all in the same area. They were all taken in Colorado around Great Wolf Lodge and Shields. And they were pretty cool, so that's why we recorded, and this is the end. So bye, guys.